Today, folks, I got one stock I really wanted to discuss involved in esports and traditional sports production. As a big gamer, I've recognized that esports alone has an expected growth rate to double come 2030, going from 2 billion in 2024 to over 7 billion come 2030. In traditional sports production alone, today I think the total addressable market is around 80-90 billion, expected to double as well come 2030. And the one stock that is encapsulating this entire sector that is starting to get some real traction is called ESE Entertainment. It trades on the OTC market under ENTEF, and it also trades on the TSXV under ESE. Now, ESE Entertainment delivers end-to-end live event solutions, including production, special effects, augmented extended reality, broadcast execution, and custom fabrication to tier one clients, hear me out here, like EA, Activision Blizzard, and Riot Games. With strong reoccurring revenue from multi-year contracts and a robust 2026 pipeline exceeding $25 million and a transformative acquisition poised to double revenue and EBITDA, which we're going to talk about, a company called Bomb-B, ESE is positioned for significant growth. At the current market capitalization, trading for around $21 million. If you compare it to some of the industry transactions that were sold at multiples 6 to 8 times revenue, seen in deals that, went for over $1 billion with ESL. I think this is a really intriguing sector, and ESE has finally kind of gotten a foothold with extensive growth in the coming years. Now, ESE Entertainment did reach out to me. This is part of sponsored content. Of course, I'm leaving the disclaimers down in the description below. This only constitute, my own opinions for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice. But if you're into kind of esports, the entertainment industry, you like stocks like this, hit that subscribe button, folks, because I promise you this one is super intriguing right now. Now, ESE Entertainment, for those that haven't heard of this, it's a global entertainment and technology company focused on gaming and esports. They're providing a range of services to leading video game developers, publishers, and brands by providing technology, infrastructure, and fan engagement services internationally. Their team of experts understand the dynamic pulse of the gaming industry as they thrive under pressure and embrace changes by offering scalable solutions that create extraordinary elevated experience. And what I want to talk about is this kind of Bomb-B side of it, which basically Bomb-B services the world's largest events and is scaling year over year. For more information on Bomb-B, we're going to go to their website and just kind of give you the broad view before we look at the growth behind their revenue, recent contracts that are absolutely huge. But firstly, what do they do? Live production, guys, audio systems, video and lighting infrastructure, 2D design, 3D renders, broadcast solution, custom fabrication, custom studios. There's a good chance if you went to an esporting event somewhere around the world, you might have actually run into one of these companies. When it comes to agencies, they have project management, tournament operations, travel and logistics, venue sourcing and management, content creation and strategy and ideation. They got special effects, including pyrotechnics, stage effects, video mapping, augmented reality, extended reality. It's a very intriguing company as somebody that used to be involved in live events and production. This company is really intriguing right now, purely because of the growth that they have behind them. And that's what I'm trying to drive here is Bomb-B has had record revenues of 3.7 million, up 109% quarter over quarter, with gross profit more than doubling to 528,000, with margins improving to 14.1%. They have positive adjusted EBITDA of 35,000, an improvement from the prior loss of 185,000, with contracts recently executed with WBC Boxing, Red Bull and Bell Media, Call of Duty League Championship, and Miami F1 Festival. This is why I think ESE Entertainment is kind of getting this growth rate behind it. I mean, the stock's now trading up 206% year to date, but it really kind of found its bottom back in July, and recently, again, especially real recently with some of this news, has been driving some of this growth and investor attention. But I mean, we really want to read into this because this just happened. I mean, this was October 9th, is ESE Entertainment asset Bomb-B has an exclusive production partner with New Era Production. So just reading into this, basically they have signed as the exclusive production partner for New Era Production, one of North America's fastest growing boxing and live entertainment promotion companies. This strategic partnership marks a significant milestone for both organizations as it combines Bomb-B's expertise in high-quality live broadcast, event staging, and fan engagement with New Era's vision of delivering world-class boxing and entertainment experience. Bit of a quote here: partnering with New Era as their exclusive production partner is an exciting step forward for Bomb-B, said Patrick, the senior partner of Bomb-B. We're committed to raising the standard of live sports and entertainment production, ensuring every fan, whether in in the arena or watching from home feels the energy, drama, and spectacle of each event. New Era, known for hosting premier boxing events featuring top-tier athletes and championship bouts, continues to expand its footprint across North America. With Bombi as its exclusive production partner, fans can expect elevated viewing experience, enhanced digital content, and cutting-edge broadcast innovation. This partnership is another step forward in our aggressive expansion plans into boxing and all sporting events. So I'm very excited to see the growth of this company. As kind of a big gaming nerd, I've kind of kept an eye on the esports sector. And now with ESE Entertainment, I think there's some real potential to find some outliers that are starting to capture some of this growth. But if you're into the esports space, I'd love to know what you think about ESE Entertainment down in that comment section below. And if there's other, sporting production and esport companies out there that you're actually paying attention to, I will provide some updates down the road on this company as I keep an eye on it. But I'll pass that question off to you. And as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.